I'm Margaret here from Petaling Jaya. I'm a student from EMBA program and I've just completed it. I'm a sales admin manager from a property developer. After attended the Style of War workshop, I find it very resourceful and it's an eye-opener for me, especially to apply to my management position for handling staff relationship and the management. It's definitely useful for my working life and also my personal life. I will strongly recommend it to this workshop to my friends or my other students in this college. Actually, it's very useful and it actually applies to our lives.